In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 to that in list 2. The enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase oxidatively decarboxylates pyruvate inside the mitochondrial matrix. Hence, A matches with 2. The EMP route is a common term used to describe glycolysis. Thus, B matches with 4. Oxidative phosphorylation involves the electron transport chain and ATP synthase embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Thus, C matches with 3. The reaction catalyzed by citrate synthase occurs in the PCA cycle. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option A. Options B, C, and D are incorrect as these options include incorrect combinations.